Hello, I'm Robert, and you're welcome here at my Biz Little Shop. On today's episode of What's on My Workbench, I'm not going to go into great detail on the project I've got. It's a classic belt. It's for the second place winner of my anniversary belt video, and I'm going to be working on that here. I'll just let you see a few parts of that. I hope you're having a great day. Today's belt is a classic, and the gentleman wants it in a dark brown. So the first thing I did is I split it down to where I ended up with about a 12-ounce thickness here. It's actually about 12 1/4 ounce. So I usually shoot for between 10 and 12 ounces on my belts, unless someone says I want a extra heavy duty one. So on a recent trip I just returned from, I picked up this knife. It's a pretty crudely made sheath. I'll show more about the knife later, but it's got a carving in here. I don't know if you can see it very well or not, but it's a fairly crude, looks like Bambi here. And I'm gonna do some work on this. I've got to decide if I can save some of the sheath or not. Or just build a completely new sheath. It's pretty rough condition. I won't pull the knife out quite yet and show you. It's it's going to take a lot of work to get it returned to like new condition. Well, I think I'm going to go ahead and call it quits there. I've got that belt drying now, and I'll come back and finish that. And I really need to decide on this knife how I want to proceed. If you got some suggestions on maybe an approach on that, I'd like to save the leather, and I would show you the knife, but it might be upsetting at this point to see the condition. It's in pretty rough condition. And what I might do is clean this leather up here and see if I can make that look reasonable. I guarantee you the leather on the inside is in a condition you wouldn't want to put it back in with the knife later, but I could maybe laminate it to another piece of leather and preserve this. So I'm going to clean this up first and then decide, I think. I hope you're having a great day. Please like, share, and subscribe, and more importantly, have a great day. Thanks.